Hello guys, in this video I wanted to discuss something with you, really very important. Um, if today is your first time to watch my video, may God bless you. If you have been watching my videos too, may God continue to bless you. Do you know that when you wake up early in the morning, your own urine can do something for you, can do a lot of miracles for you in your life? When you wake up early in the morning, that urine that you urinate and urinate out, you need to get a nice container or something that you can keep in it, very nice one, and keep it, because it can do a lot of things for you. Even, do you know that when you mix it with ashes and then lemon, you can use it to cure any stubborn pimples in your face? Yes, that's how powerful it is. But in this video I want us to look at the spiritual benefit exactly. Basically I want us to look at the spiritual benefit, because um in this nowadays a lot of people are going through spiritual problems, so let's talk about the spiritual aspect more. So in case you wake up early in the morning, the first urine you feel like urinating, that urine, get alligator pepper. When you get the alligator pepper, I've told you how you can charge it. You need to charge it so that it can become very powerful before you use it. So when you get the alligator pepper, get 7 seeds of the alligator pepper, add it to your urine, pour it into a white rubber, tie it up and bury it. This one will protect you against any spiritual accident, any spiritual sickness coming up your way. It is really powerful. Another point that I want to look at is, if you are living with your wife, your husband, your fiancé, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, and use your urine to mop the room, to clean the floor, the room. This one will help in a way that it will strengthen the relationship between you people, and it will bring peace between you guys. Okay, another point is that uh, there are let me say, most of you, your kids, they will come, or your children, they will come from school, they will be feeling sick and all that. Or maybe your child will sleep in the midnight, then he or she will wake up and be crying because of some terrible dreams that they have been seeing in their dream, or maybe spiritual attacks. For that matter, you as a parent, do this for your child, so that if in case something bad is about to happen to your child, it will come to you rather. Your early morning urine, pour it into the water that you are going to use to bath your child. Pour into that water and use to bath your child. And I'm telling you the fact that if something bad is coming to happen to your child, spiritual attacks, spiritual especially, coming to happen to your child, it will come up your way rather than go affecting your child. Okay, another thing is that, get a padlock. When you get a padlock, open the padlock. There's a key on it. Open the padlock. Say your wish. Whatever you need in life, say it. After that, then you lock the padlock. Put it into your urine. Leave it for 3 days. Leave it for 3 days. After 3 days, go and remove the padlock and throw it away. Whatever you said, nobody can return it. Yes, whatever you said, nobody can return it. Another point is that, if you are such a person that, let me say, you are selling, you have a store, you have a shop, or you sell food, or you sell something, and there's a particular person that you don't trust, the person, you within you, you feel like that person is a witch, or that person has a bad spirit. For that matter, you are afraid to take the money from that person. Okay, for that matter, use your own urine to wash your hands before taking money from that person. Nothing will affect you. Another point, listen to me. If you have ever tried something like this before, you have ever used your urine to do something and it has really helped you, let me know in the comment section. You can bring your question if you don't understand something. Okay, another point is that there are some herbs that you can mix with your urine. When you mix it with your urine and you sprinkle it around your workplace, your environment, your compound, it will drive away any bad spirits. No negative energy or bad spirit can come into your area or your shop. That's how powerful it is. Another point is that, when you get your urine, when you get it, you need garlic, sea salt, put them together. This one, you're not going to use soap. Use it for bathing. After bathing, use it to rinse yourself, clean yourself, wash yourself. If you are such a person that you normally dream of terrible, you normally have terrible dreams, scary dreams, it will stop. Your own urine again. This urine, there are some women. Naturally, God created women to be pregnant for 9 months. After 9 months, then they deliver. But you know someone who has been pregnant for more than 9 months. It means that that person is under spiritual attack. Drink your own urine early in the morning. That urine that you normally urinate out, put it in a container like this and be drinking. You deliver safely. It is really powerful. This thing that I'm teaching you, if you go and ask your pastor, and your pastor is not a spiritual person, he or she will not be able to explain it for you to understand, unless someone who is a spiritual person. Okay, another point is that write your wish on a paper, a very plain paper, nice paper. Use a red pen or a red marker. Write it on a paper. When you write it on the paper, then put the paper in your urine. Keep it somewhere for 3 days. After 3 days, go for it. Remove the paper. Keep it in your room. It will become dry. When it gets dry, burn it. When you burn it, take the ashes, mix it with your lotion, the cream that you use, mix it with it, and be using it. Apply it on your skin. This thing is going to help you in a way that if you are such a person that you normally have scary dreams, it will stop. It will drive away any negative energy also from your side, and you'll be free. If you have something to ask me, please feel free and ask me. And you ask me, I'll take my time and explain it everything for you to understand. So let's move on. Another point that I wanted to look at is there are some of you, you want to have more dreams. Whenever you sleep, you don't even dream at all. Okay, for that matter, you need fresh milk. When you get fresh milk, mix it with your urine. It's either you will drink it or will use it to wash your face. You have dream like never before. Preferably, I'll wish for you to use it to wash your face. You will dream like never before. It is very powerful. Some of you, you normally, when you're walking around, then spider web will cross your face. A spider web from nowhere will cross your face. When it happens that way, let me tell you something. When spider webs cross your face and you use your hands to wipe your face, you are wiping away your favor. It's another trick. I keep saying it's another trick that the devil used to take away our favor. So for that matter, use your own urine to wash your face. Another point is that if you are such a person that people don't do you good because you don't have favor, always bad luck always come up your way. Anything that you do, it doesn't go well. You feel like bad luck is on your side. For that matter, you need to use your own urine to wash your face. It will clear away any bad luck, and you'll be free. So, if anything you have, or maybe say, let me say, if you have any questions concerning this practice, and I'm saying that if you have ever tried it before, you can let me know in the comment section so that we all share ideas together. So let's move on. Another point that I want us to look at is if you are such a person that you have a sore on your skin, your sore is becoming big, stubborn sore. Sometimes such sores is under spiritual, it may tell you that you are under spiritual attacks. Urine is for spiritual purposes. It does a lot of spiritual things. So for that matter, use the urine to wash your sore, that stubborn sore. Use the urine to wash it. It will kill the germs. At the same time, it will neutralize any power, any spiritual power. Okay, if you normally feel, sometimes you feel like you are not feeling comfortable, you feel like you are under spiritual attack, you feel like witches are hunting you. Okay, for that matter, you drink your own urine. This thing is powerful, and maybe you might think like I'm joking, but if you know someone who is really powerful, go and ask the person, and the person will tell you. Even the cow urine is used to mop our rooms. When you use it that way to mop your room and all that, whenever a demon or a spirit is about to enter your house, the demon will see a cow standing in front of the gate. So how much more a human urine? If you have any question, you can ask me and then I will answer you. Okay, another point is that if sometimes you feel like, how do I put it, something moving up on your ceiling, on your roof, on your my sister, my brother, don't worry yourself. Urine can help you get rid of all those things. When you wake up early in the midnight, maybe you're having a scary dreams, you saw someone chasing you in a dream, be using your urine to bath. It will stop. I'll be back with you with another episode. Continue watching my videos. If you don't understand something, let me know. See you next time. I love you so much.